So this area is the entry for the Kaiser Estate in Portlock, Hawaii. Behind me you'll see the crane. This is a device that I designed and built for this particular project. It assists me in installing these 30 by 30 inch pieces that weigh about 75 pounds a piece over a bed of mason mix, which at this area is about 2 to, in some areas, 5 inches thick. The concrete alone weighs nearly 300 pounds. As the installation progresses, you can see the crane lifting and allowing me to install and then remove the tile, tap down, make adjustments, and then reinstall it with thinset to be perfectly level, perfectly flat.